Hello everybody, my name is Roop Sandhu. So I am doing an Indian bridal makeup series on my channel and this one is the second look. In case you guys missed the first look from this series, then you can find the link in the description box. So this look is all about glitters and this makeup is appropriate for night time. I have shown you two lipstick options. You can choose according to your own preferences. The first one is a nude lipstick and the other one is a dark red lipstick. I like both the options. So if you want to know how to get this look, then please keep on watching, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, then please click on subscribe and hit the bell icon. And also let me know in the comments if you like the nude lipstick or the red lipstick. And now let's start. So first I'm going to apply a primer. This is PAC Zero Pore Separation Cream, and I'm going to apply this very gently on areas where I have larger pores. And then I'm going to take a foundation. This is MAC Studio Fix foundation in shade NC25, and I'm going to put dots all over my face, and then I'll take a damp beauty blender and blend it nicely all over. Then I'm going to take a concealer. This is MAC Prolong Wear Concealer in shade NC20, and I'm going to apply this under my eyes, on my nose, on my chin, my forehead, and then I'm going to apply it on my eyelids as an eyeshadow base. And then I'll take the same beauty blender and I'm going to blend it nicely. To set my concealer, I'm going to take Wet n Wild Mega Glow Contour Palette. This is going to prevent the foundation and the concealer from creasing. Then I'm going to take a powder brush and dust off the excess powder in a circular motion and try to blend the remaining on my face. This will also mattify the base. And then I'm going to take a dark brown gel eyeliner. This one is by LA Girl, and with this I'm going to shape my eyebrows. And then I'm going to take this contour shade and I'm going to apply it on the hollows of my cheeks. I'm also going to apply this on the top of my forehead. And then I'm going to contour my nose, and I'm going to apply this on the sides of my nose, also on my jawline. And then I'm going to take a blush. This one is by Maybelline, and I'm going to apply this on the apples of my cheeks. Then I'm going to take this golden shade from Nykaa Glow Getter Kit, and I'm going to apply this on my cheekbone. I'm going to apply this on my chin, also on my nose. I'm going to apply this on my forehead and cupid bow, and also on my brow bone. And then I'll take this peach eyeshadow from Desert Dusk palette, and I'm going to apply this on my crease as a transition shade. Then I'm going to take this maroon shade and I'm going to develop a crease line. So I'll apply it with some pressure, and I don't want to spread it all over, but just want to create a crease line. And then to add some depth, I'm going to take this brown eyeshadow and I'm going to apply this on the outer ends of my eyelid, and I'm going to transfer very little on my crease. And then I'm going to dust off the blending brush on the back of my hand, and I'm going to apply the maroon eyeshadow on my lower lash line. And then I'm going to take NYX glitter primer and I'm going to apply this on my eyelids. And then I'm going to take the red glitter from same palette and I'm going to apply on the top of the glitter primer. And then I'm going to apply some highlighter in the inner corners of my eyes, and then I'm going to take the Essence Liquid Ink Eyeliner and I'm going to create a winged eyeliner. And then I'm going to take a nude kajal pencil and I'm going to apply this on my waterline. You can go for black as well. And then I'm going to take a lip liner. This is Willow by Wet n Wild, and I'm going to outline my lips. And then I'm going to apply this lipstick. This is MAC Velvet Teddy. And then to nicely contour my lips, I'll take a little dark lip liner. This is Chestnut by Wet n Wild, and I'm going to outline the lips. To coat my eyelashes, I'm going to take MAC Hot and Naughty Mascara. And then I'm going to take NYX Brow Mascara and I'm going to brush it through my eyebrows. You guys can take your regular mascara as well. And then I'm going to wear these mink lashes by PAC called M75, and I'm going to wear these beautiful chumkas. And then I'm going to adjust my Mang Tika, and with that this look is complete. Alright you guys, this is the look with a nude lipstick which looks absolutely stunning. If you want to go for a red lipstick, then why not? I mean, it's a bridal look, then why not? So this is MAC Ruby Woo, which is a classy shade and it stays for all day long. So guys, this was the second look from the Indian Bridal series. I hope you like it. Please leave your comment and suggestions down below and let me know if you like this with a nude or a red lipstick. And I will see you in my next video. Thank you so much.